We'll start with next midpoint circle algorithm. Once you understand the Bresenham circle properly, midpoint circle algorithm is similar to that. Okay, as the word indicates, midpoint. So which midpoint you have to choose? Let's understand it. Okay, so I hope you remember the previous figure. Yes, P is 1 point, then N is the north pixel, S is the south pixel. Okay, see here, we consider one middle point for the north and south pixel. This is the midpoint. Okay, where X is incremented already for this position. What about Y value? Y will be YK minus half. Okay, if you go above, it will be YK plus half, like this. So let's continue. Circle algorithm is used to again determine the pixel needed for rasterizing a circle while drawing a circle on a pixel screen. Let's understand. So in this technique, the algorithm determines the midpoint between the next two possible consecutive pixels. Which are the two next possible consecutive pixels? One is north point, another is south point, that is N and S. Okay, then checks whether the midpoint is inside or outside the circle. Okay, and depending on that, the pixel is illuminated. Okay, let's assume we have plotted a pixel P. Okay, again we are assuming, right? From 1 point we need to start the drawing. So that is again xk yk point we considered. Okay, and hence the task is we need to determine the next pixel again. Okay, so again we have chosen the octet 2 only. Okay, where the circle is moving forward and downward. So y can never be increased, yes, but it get decremented. It is either same or it get decremented. Fine. Similarly, x will always be increasing as circle is moving forward too. Okay. So y is needed to be decided definitely. Then for north and south values, you have north value as xk plus 1 and yk. What about south value? Xk plus 1, yk minus 1. That it is the south value. Just add and divide by 2 because we want a midpoint for both the points, right? So how you will get the midpoint? Just divide it by 2. So this is the point we got. Yes, yk minus half. Just go on calculating it. It's 2xk plus 2 divided by 2. So which gives you xk plus 1 itself. And here it is 2yk minus 1 divided by 2. So here it is yk minus half directly. Right? So we are going to use this particular point for calculation purpose over here. Yes. So function of circle equation is x square plus y square minus r square. Same is the equation. Okay, like we consider for Bresenham line algorithm or any circle which you saw from your fifth or sixth while calculating the area, right? Then function of a midpoint in a circle equation. Okay, so here fm for the midpoint we calculated here xk plus 1 yk minus half. Same you need to put over here, that is your decision parameter, right? With the help of midpoint we are going to decide whether to choose the north pixel or whether to put the south pixel. Okay, so xk plus 1 here it is, and plus yk minus half square minus r square. Fine. To find out the next decision parameter, we need to get pk plus 1 here. Okay, so pk plus 1. Yes, to find out the next decision parameter, we need to get the pk plus 1. So pk plus 1 will be xk plus 1. Just replace the k with k plus 1 suffix. Okay, plus 1 square yk plus 1 minus half square. Now pk plus 1 minus pk. Okay, so here it is xk plus 1 is definitely xk plus 1 over here. Okay, we know that. Just put both equations, subtract both equations. Okay, which value you will get over here after calculation of all these terms? Here it is xk plus 1. Yes, just replaced with the term here, sorry. Xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus 1. Okay, can you say about yk plus 1? No, not it. So we are going to keep it as it is. Okay, don't change the value currently, we'll do it later on. Okay, but xk plus 1 you can change it. Okay, you can add it like xk plus 1, you can write it. Okay, yes, then square it. Okay, do all these calculations. Okay, after that you will get this equation finally after calculation. Okay, some terms get cancelled out. Okay, then some terms get added to each other or subtracted from each other, and finally you will get this equation. Fine, let's go ahead now. uh, Initial decision parameter. What is the initial value? Yes, you have pk with you, that is xk plus 1 plus yk minus half square and uh, r square, right? So you have that initial